quite nice multimeter with many features. So in addition to basic features, it does have the oscillator features as well. Battery life is fine. I've been using it for a few hours now, and it still shows full battery. There's a USB-C charger on the side. So if we troubleshoot the circuit, let's say we need to plug it to the continuity test mode. We'd use this one, plug the button, plug right there. This plug is interesting. You have to kind of push it and deep, and not just a little like that. So if you don't push it deep enough, it won't make contact. So you really have to make sure that you push it. And continuity test. You can select the. So this is the continuity test mode. You can select the continuity test mode, and if I touch that, so it beeps. So overall, nice device, quite sleek. I took the plastic parts here off, but it does have those plastic rubbery parts on both sides for an easy grip. So testing the oscilloscope mode. I have this simple circuit with the photoresistor, and as I start tapping it, it shows me the rate, how often I tap it, about 2 to 3 times a second. Yeah, so of course you can use this with the digital signals like PWM, Arduinos and stuff. So fairly nice overall.